The discovery of the dead body of a newborn baby abandoned behind a school in the Namibian capital, Windhoek, last November shows that a change in the law was not enough to solve the problem. In 2019, Namibia passed legislation saying that women who, out of desperation, took the drastic step of abandoning their child, would no longer be prosecuted. Safe places where an infant could be left were established, but there is still not enough awareness of the legal changes. 2 years ago, Linda, which is not her real name, used one of these places to leave her child. Linda cries when she talks about the baby she had to give up. It was not an easy decision, as a mother, to carry a baby for 9 months and give it away. But I still did it because of the situation I was in, Linda says in a low voice. She is talking about being unable to afford another child. Linda shares a tiny house with her other children and her boyfriend in an informal settlement near the coastal town of Swakopmund. She sometimes finds it difficult to afford a meal, and says her 4 children understand that if Mum has nothing today, we will not eat today. She adds, "But for the 5th born, if there is no meal, he would not understand anything. So I just thought, I have to give this baby away, to someone who would take better care of him." Linda is remorseful but believes she did the best for her baby at the time. "I do miss him, I miss my baby because I breastfed him for 3 days. But I know he's okay, he's with the right people." The reason she knows he is being looked after is that she left him in what is called a baby saver box, a drawer built into a wall of a compound in Swakopmund that has a mattress and a blanket inside. There is also a letter. "Dearest Mamia, please know that we do not judge you," reads the reassuring note. "We cannot begin to understand the circumstances that have brought you here," it adds. The message is from the Ruach Elohim Foundation, which was set up in Swakopmund by Ronelle Peters and her husband Dick to create a haven for babies. "We received this little one only yesterday," Mrs. Peters says, cradling a tiny boy. "He's 4 days old. Unfortunately we were very busy, we haven't even named him yet." The Baby Saver Box is her foundation's initiative, and there are similar projects elsewhere in the world. The box, the first and only in Namibia, is one way that mothers can bring babies, usually newborns, and leave them anonymously in a safe place to be found and cared for.